And this, my friends, is where your grass is going. In here. Ash on there. On a shovel. Callum on the rolls and buck brake. Getting the job done. The rain has stopped play, so there'll be another day to do it. We're working in unison together there. Using all the ponies. Lovely. Kind of rolling it in nice and tight. Tighter the better. As you can see, he's sporting the back window open. Which is one of my pet hates, but each to your own, each to your own. And this dude here, he just loved the job. Look at him, look. He's all over. Right, until next time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy days. I'm getting in the bloody dry because I'm getting wet here, so see you later, people.